people when they're together. There's the herd mentality.
Dr. Tyler Evans says we should not be having an outbreak like this in a developed country.
We've got, I believe, 10 cases that have taken place in Los Angeles. And, you know, as a doctor who works in developing countries, this is just not something that's
smaller.
acceptable.
In Venice, John Baird.
Is it right on the street?
70 News Radio.
Plane goes in Glendale tonight. The pilot and passenger walk away when the border tails coming up at the bottom of the hour.
Where is it?
But right now, traffic
Is it in the parking lot?
every 10 minutes on 5 Chuck Road.
And as you might imagine, that incident's getting a lot of attention in the Glendale area. Avoid Glenoaks Blvd between Western Avenue and Alameda. There are a lot of emergency responders on the scene there, police and fire, and obviously media showing up to see what's going on there as well. And traffic is pretty heavy through that area. Again, this is all happening at Glenoaks and Allen Avenue between Western and Alameda. Just continue to avoid that area. Now in Burbank, on the southbound 5 at Burbank Boulevard, injury crash there with a car over the side of the freeway. Echo Park northbound 101.
Glenoaks. Where's Alan? Where's Glenoaks?
Airport. Both of them were able to walk away of smashing onto Glenoaks Blvd in a spot where nobody on the ground got hurt either.
This pilot was trying to land the plane in Burbank, but had trouble doing so. Engine trouble developed. This Mooney M20E then crash landed in this neighborhood, very busy shopping district in front and next to a Smart and Final.
At CBS 2's Tom Wade, he saw the pilot standing around talking to police about what could have been a major tragedy. Aviation investigators now be looking into what went wrong.